It's your girl, Dare Taylor, the hostess of the mostest of this channel called Dare Wears. And today, I have a very special guest I'm going to be so excited to introduce you to.
Hey, it's Codee.
It's Codee! Ah, I'm so excited for her to be here. I actually shout out Codee all the time on Instagram, so be sure to give her a follow while we're here.
Yes, please.
And also, don't forget to check out my other free social medias. I have a TikTok, an Instagram, and a Twitter. And today, we have a super special surprise for our guests. Today, we're gonna be trying on some of our favorite lingerie. Yes! It's gonna be so exciting. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Codee.
Well, I'm an actor, model, and stunt performer. I ride motorcycles, I have a little dog named Cheeto, and I live in Hollywood.
She may be a tough chick on the outside, but she's a softie on the inside.
I'm gonna make this one famouser than she already is.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna work together. We're gonna be in like a James Bond movie together. Like two hot babes, except for she'll be doing all the stunts and I'll just be like tripping. But let's get to our favorite lingerie pieces. Now, if you're new to my channel, one thing that we do is when we change our outfits, we just do a twirl and our outfits magically change. Would you like to test it out with me?
I would love to.
Yeah, let's twirl. Ready?
Oh, do we?
Okay, this is our first look. This piece I actually got from a fan in my special P.O. box. Be sure to check the link down below if you'd like to buy me something else for my wish list. It's just this really fun two-piece saucy lingerie set that is very sheer on top, so I can't show you guys here. It's super simple, cute, and I always like red and black. It's a good color combination.
The color of lust.
Yeah. Yes, the color of lust.
I am rocking also red. We decided to color coordinate. So I think
It's so fun.
this top is really flattering on everybody, I think.
I agree. I think that like the cut, the halter top looks good on like multiple body shapes and types, especially if you're chesty or if you're not as chesty. I think it just adds the illusion of, like you said, va-va-boom.
And red can go on pale skin or tan skin.
Exactly. I think it just, ooh, we've got a little emergency action in the background. We're too hot over here. Ooh, but yeah, red is a good color. All right, boys, you guys ready for the next outfit? All right, let's twirl on into it.
Okay. This I got when I was in Chicago at like a little boutique store. It's very like heavy duty. Like these are like legit.
They're so fun though. I like touching them.
It's a little loose up here. Like I wish it was just like a little more fitted, so we got the girls up a little bit.
Yeah.
But I really love this cut down here. Like I think it's really flattering, and when I wear this out, I usually put a little mini skirt on with it.
I love it. Yeah. It's definitely
so
like
good.
a cute, right? I love bodysuits like this because it's so easy to dress them up or dress them down. It's just a two-in-one sort of look. Whereas my outfit was another gift from you guys, so thank you so much for all the gifties. It's like an angelic little set is what I would call this. Like I look like I'm just, you know, the most innocent girl you'll ever meet. Like no trouble here. Just this cute little innocent lady.
Ooh, you need some angel wings.
I do. Yeah. But a fun secret for you guys is that I spill on everything, so I try to avoid white like the plague. But they've sent me so many white outfits, it's ridiculous. So I think they're trying to tell me something, that they want me to be like a wholesome little lady again.
You've got the angelic side and then the punk rock demon side.
Yeah. It's like yin and yang. We meet in harmony.
Peace.
All right, boys, I think it's time to twirl into something a little bit more sassier. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go. And we are back, and it looks like we've kind of got like a Valentine's Day spread going on here.
Ooh.
Pink and red.
Be mine.
Yeah, right, exactly. We both actually have OnlyFans, so if you would like to purchase the behind the scenes of this video, we've been filming some in-between takes for you all. Be sure to check out Hey It's Codee's OnlyFans. What is the exact link for yours?
Hey, it's Coddee.
Is it really? Yeah. I just guessed. Oh my gosh.
You're great.
Awesome. I will have it linked down below in the description, and also I'll put it as the pinned comment. And I actually will be selling this on my Patreon as usual. You guys know I put the stuff on there. But anyways, outfits are amazing and super saucy. This was another gift from a fan. It's just a simple pink top and bottom, very cheeky, and just, it's simple. Simple and gorgeous and just, I love it.
This little ditty I got during a Victoria's Secret like sale, one of their little special semi-annual sales.
So cool.
I got it online. I'm really lucky because I'm always just the tiniest size, so I just buy the tiniest size and it usually fits.
Love that.
It's super flattering, like it's very elongating, very see-through,
Yes.
which I also don't mind. Flattering.
Yes, I agree. I really like that one a lot. And like you said, I think it would look flattering on many body types.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I think you guys got enough of this. We gotta change into the next outfit, but don't forget to check the links down below in the description. All right, you heard? Let's twirl. It was like on cue. Oh, I missed your butt. I hit your butt, but I hit your hand.
Okay, hit my butt.
There you go. So adorable. Love it. This is our last outfit, and I'm upset. I didn't realize this was the last one.
I thought you were gonna say obsessed.
I mean, I am obsessed, but I'm upset too, because I don't want it to end. But do you want to talk about your outfit first?
Oh my gosh, so I just got this last week at, again, one of the Hollywood stripper stores. It's called Stage Hollywood.
Okay.
And I wore it to Vegas, to the Sapphire Day Pool party, and I had little pasties that were hands under here. And so I went up to people and I would go, high five, and then they would slap my boob.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
It was so fun, but again, I thought this was not gonna look good on me.
It looks good on you.
Thank you. I used to not be a thong girl, but after, you know, this last year, I've just really started to be a thong girl.
Embrace the thong.
Cisco had it right.
Embrace. Yes. This honestly reminds me of like Legally Blonde. Like, is anybody else feeling these vibes where it's like Elle Woods, like if she were to go to the pool? But yeah, love the outfit, super cute. If I could think of the song reference, I would sing it, but I can't. My brain is like gone. But this is another outfit sent to me from one of you guys. You guys have been spoiling me so much lately, so thank you. I really appreciate it. But unfortunately, this one doesn't fit as well as the others. It's just like, it's a little small in the coverage on the top, which isn't a bad thing. It just means it doesn't particularly fit for me. The bottom half, I guess the thong, is really long for some reason, and I think it's what you had said earlier.
Yeah.
The one size fits all thing. It's just
it's an easy fix though. I could hem this for you.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Love it. She's like, girl, I got you.
Got my sewing machine in the bedroom.
Yes, we'll nip it right in the bud, literally.
Oh.
But this is the end of our haul, guys.
Oh.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to leave us a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, it's free. Do it now. And don't forget that we are doing behind the scenes of this actual haul on my Patreon and on Codee's OnlyFans.
This is my first try on haul, and it was so much fun, and now I want to do them every week with
Definitely,
you.
we should. And we could probably do some on my other channel, because I have a personality channel coming up soon. Yeah.
Fun.
All right, boys, it's time for us to go. Be sure to check the links down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Mwah. See you later.
Oh, we didn't spin on that one.
Oh, we can though. We could spin out and then it'd just be the background. Who's ghosts? All right, let's do the behind the scenes.